welcoming my dear class 10 students in the guidance class as well as in the e-learning classes of St. Michael's Academy. As I have promised and we have discussed that in our next class, we'll start the next topic in the light chapter after completing a reflection of lights. All the topics, we have gone through the basic concepts, then we have learned the ray diagram, concepts of numericals, and you also solve some numericals. Even if you have some doubts in numericals, I will collect those doubts and take one class as the doubt class related to numericals. Now today I will start a new topic, that is refraction. There's a lot of applications of refractions in our day-to-day life. So very first, you need to understand what this refraction, the term refraction stands for. When the ray of light, rays of light travel from one medium to other medium, it deflects from the interface, interface means separating surface of medium. Please start writing, separating surface of medium, because continuously I will write the notes and on the board. You don't have the time, and classes will be continued. Okay. Now, please stop and try to understand what this definition tells us. Now, suppose this is a glass medium. And this is air medium. Here I have drawn normal. This is normal. When the rays of light enter from glass medium, enter from air medium to glass medium, it deflects from its path. It deflects from its original path. Okay. There are two rules of the deflection. When the rays of light when rays of light travels from condition 1, rarer medium to denser medium. What will be the result? If move towards normal, move towards normal. And condition 2, when the rays of light travel from denser medium to rarer medium, what will be the result? Now see the opposite of this one. Suppose this is glass medium here. This is the denser medium and this is the air, this is the rarer medium. Here I have drawn a normal. When rays of light travel from denser medium to rarer medium, it moves away. Moves away from normal. What is the significance in this case? Here, angle of incidence is greater than angle of refraction, not reflection, angle of refraction. In this case, this is the angle of incidence, the angle between incident ray and normal. This is the angle of refraction, this is the angle of refraction. So angle of incidence is greater than angle of refraction, in which case when the rays of light travel from rarer medium to denser medium, it moved towards north. In this case, when the rays of light travel from denser medium to rarer medium, in this case the angle of incidence is smaller than angle of refraction. Now you may ask, what is the reason that rays of light deflect when it travel and when it cross through from one medium to another medium? What is the reason? क्या इसका कारण है? The reason is that the speed of light varies when it travels from one medium to other medium because of its density. Density is the major factor which affect the speed of light. आप बच्चे मोटरसाइकिल चलाते हो, साइकिल चलाते हो ना? So when the road is very clear, there is no crowd at all, then it is very easy to ride on motorcycle, automobiles or cycle. Usually in when the road is empty, the speed of your cycle or speed of your motorcycle is faster. And suppose you have to cross through the Chhauni Chowk. Usually the Chhauni Dhala is always jam. You cannot race your cycle or motorcycle more than 20 km or 30 km per hour. Even you have to go through 2 km, 3 km, 5 km. What is the reason? Because there is a heavy jam. The speed of that your bike or motorcycle get slow. धीरे हो जाता है. Understood? When the medium is rarer means the particles of matters are farther. दूर रहते हैं. एयर पार्टिकल्स में क्या रहते हैं? एयर में जो पार्टिकल्स ऑफ एयर क्या होते हैं? दूर रहते हैं. Then here the speed of rays of light is faster. As it comes from that rarer medium, which means when the road is empty, when the medium is not very congested, there is no heavy congestion. As it comes in a congestion area, is higher density, the speeds become slow. As its speeds become slow, the direction automatically change. Are you getting my point? When you are driving your motorcycle or cycle, and as you decrease the speed of your cycle or motorcycle, automatically what you will find? That your direction will be changed. So what is the reason that the rays of light deflect when it travels from one medium to other medium? Because the speed of light changes from when it travels from one medium to another medium, and the speed of light depends upon the density of medium, and it is what is the relation? Reciprocal. Speed of light is higher when density of medium is less, and speed of light is less when this density of medium is higher. Are you getting my point? So this is the reason, and this is the basic concept. I can show you, or you can, if you bring, if you any boys, please go and bring that. Ask Suhana Didi or Ravi Bhaiya to bring a glass. शीशे का ग्लास लेकर आओ तो बेटा. शीशे का ग्लास लेकर आओ तो I will show you one activity. And you have experienced this thing in your day-to-day life. That when suppose if take a bucket, fill it with water, and take a coins in that one, put a coins. That coins will appears to be not at that much of depth. वो उतनी गहराई में नजर नहीं आएगा. अगर आप एक शीशे का ग्लास ले ले, I will show you this here. This side. Is it visible? Suppose you take a glass, made of glass, fill it with water. and keep a spoon in this one. Keep a spoon in this one. What happened? You find that the spoon will be appear tilted. वो टेढ़ा नजर आएगा. Spoon will be appear. यहाँ the virtual image will be formed in this direction. उसका direction क्या बनेगा? इस position पर बनेगा. Actually, the spoon is in this condition, straight. If the glass will be available, I will show you in my next class. And what is the reason? Here, suppose this is your eyes. This is your eyes. And when the rays of light enter from rarer medium to denser medium, because this is air medium and this is glass medium, then what happened? When rays of light travel from rarer medium to denser medium, move towards normal. Okay. Can anyone give me a pen? Now, see here. This pen is straight. Is it? Are you getting this one? You can see that, na? Now I'm going to dip this pen in the in a water filled with in a glass filled with water. When you observe this pen, then what thing that you can see? आप क्या देख रहे हो? The pen is appeared to be tilted. वो टेढ़ा नजर आएगा. तो क्या पेन टेढ़ा हो गया? कोई मैजिक हो गया इसमें? कोई मैजिक नहीं ना हुआ बच्चों. There is scientific reason when the rays of light travel from, this is the air medium, and from here that rays of light travel to the water medium, and water medium is the denser medium. So the rays of light bend towards normal, and that is why this straight pen, when it is completely in the air, as he put down in the glass filled with water, it appears to be bent. क्या होता है वो? वहां से bent नजर आता है, वहां से मुड़ा हुआ नजर आता है. And this is the practical application or practical example of refraction in our day-to-day life. Why the pen appears to be bent? We know that when the rays of light travel from one medium to another medium, the rays of light bend from interface. This is the interface where the air medium and glass medium are separating. जहां जिस point से, जिस surface से air medium और glass medium एक दूसरे से अलग हो रहा है, उसी को क्या कहते हैं बच्चों? Interface कहते हैं. और वहां से जब rays of light जब rarer medium से denser medium में गया तो क्या हुआ? वो बेंट कर गया. क्यों बेंट कर गया? मैंने भी इसका डिस्कशन किया था आपसे. बिकॉज द स्पीड ऑफ लाइट is inversely proportional to the density of medium. When the density of medium is rarer, speed of light is faster. As in the example of air, when the density of medium is higher, like in water or glass with respect to air, the speed of light become less. So one relation you can write here, that the cause of refraction, that this speed of light is inversely proportional to density of a medium. And you have to explain this one. और उसको आप explain कर दीजिएगा. Now you are able to write this question. What is the reason for the refraction and why the rays of light bend when it travels from one medium to other medium? Okay. And after that, I will take your class on the topic refractive index. Now till then, please note it down and get ready for the next class. Thank you very much.